Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 9 and we are at 0.01%. So let's see what happened on day 9. So our expenditures are still at 0, so we do not have to deduct anything. Our AdSense revenue is $102.7. So that makes us our total profits $102.7. And the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments. And we are going to implement the most light ones. So let's jump into the YouTube studio and see what happened on day 9. So as you can see, our subscriber count is at 1,670. And let's see our revenue details and our detailed statistics. So views are 69.1 thousand. Our watch time for the last 28 days is 976 hours. Our subscriber count is in the last 28 days 261. And our estimated revenue, as I mentioned before this, is $102.78. And I'm going to show you some of our most profitable videos. These are the top earning videos. On the top is still the how to earn interest on cryptocurrency video, which is on the top for a few days. We have a new second and a new third place. On the second place we have the how to remove text in Canva, and the third place is the how to use Revolut Junior. So these are new contenders. On the fourth place we have our how to find virtual background settings on Zoom. This was our most profitable video for a long time, but now it's on 4th place. On the 5th place is how to set price alerts on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see further on the list, these are some of our most profitable videos. I'm curious what is the RPM on this video, because I know that it does not have too many views. So let's see how did it make $1.5, which is great. Yeah, so the RPM is crazy on this one. As you can see, on this day the RPM was over $1,000, which is crazy. So our average RPM is $72, but actually that one day makes it to be such high revenue. But it still has a few views every day, which is good. We value consistency. So yeah, these are the statistics from day 9. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you want to follow our journey, check out this playlist with all our daily videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.